Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. Today, we're looking at a car that's trying to do something no other SUV has done before. Bridge the gap between hardcore, off-road style, and high-end executive luxury. This is the 2026 BYD Leopard Titanium 7. You might know it as the Bao 7. And for 2026, it is officially BYD's most tech-forward adventurer. Visually, it's a stunner. It keeps that boxy silhouette we love, but swaps the raw aggression of its siblings for a cleaner, more aerodynamic titanium aesthetic. With its double-eyed LED headlamps, flush door handles, and massive 20-inch wheels, it looks just as comfortable in front of a five-star hotel as it does on a dirt trail. But the Titanium 7 is more than just a fashion statement. Under the hood, it features the DM's plug-in hybrid system, pairing a 1.5-liter turbo engine with high-output electric motors. In the top-tier AWD configuration, got a combined 483 horsepower and enough instant torque to launch this 5-meter-long SUV from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. For the daily commute, it offers a CLTC pure electric range of up to 124 miles. And when you head for the hills, the total range stretches to a massive 800 miles. It even features BYD's DRXAC intelligent body control, allowing the suspension to adapt instantly to road conditions for a ride that's as smooth as a luxury sedan. The real wow factor, however, is the technology. The Titanium 7 features a world-first onboard drone system co-developed with GI. With the push of a button, a smart drone can take off from the roof. While you're driving, it speeds up to 15 miles per hour to scout the trail ahead or capture cinematic footage of your journey. Inside, the cabin is a digital sanctuary with 7 different screens, including 2 30-inch BYD pads for the rear passengers and a 26-inch head-up display. From its LiDAR-based God's IATAs to its built-in refrigerator and 20-speaker sound system, the 2026 Leopard Titanium 7 is redefining what a modern SUV can be. Starting at around $31,000 in international markets, it's a high-tech steal. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take the drone out for its first flight.